Is stunt driving a criminal charge or a criminal offense? And new clients are very concerned that if they get convicted of stunt driving, they will get a criminal record. The good news is that the short answer is no. But the bad news is that the penalties still are very similar to criminal charges. This is referred to as something called quasi-criminal, and this is defined by the Attorney General side of Ontario as a quasi-criminal offense, a non-criminal offense that carries a penalty similar to that of a criminal offense, but that is subject to less complex court procedures than are criminal offenses, for example, traffic and workplace safety offenses. This means that depending on the circumstances of your stunt driving charges, the prosecutor has the right to ask for harsh penalties like jail time or severe fines that sound a lot like criminal penalties, but at the end of the day, they will not translate into a criminal record. Rather, they are deterring penalties that will reside on your driving abstract. Granted, having potential jail time is a penalty that most do not want to endure, regardless of where it appears on your record. Stunt driving charges that entail jail time, well, they still send you to the same jails that persons with criminal charges are sent to. Similarly, high fines are still painful to your financial well-being, regardless of whether they are a traffic or criminal penalty. So how should I handle my stunt driving charge? And that's a good question. When we represent a client, we treat the penalties just as serious as a criminal proceeding, even if it doesn't result in a criminal record. Our only job is to fight against those penalties in relation to your stunt driving charges. After all, these are major civil liberties that are at stake here. So what if I'm here on a work visa or a residency status? Because stunt driving is not a criminal charge, it should not affect your immigration application or any type of visa status. A stunt driving conviction will only impact your driving record and should not have any bearing on any other type of record or application. Of course, if you get a 1 to 3 year license suspension, it will definitely affect your job or ability to work, but that is an indirect consequence of these charges. So I won't lose my job or have a difficult time getting a job in the future. Well, the stunt driving conviction itself, because it's not a criminal charge, will not hurt your employment visa or immigration status or prevent you from getting a job in the future. However, the loss of your license may physically or financially hurt your ability to get a job or stay employed. So get legal help. Stunt is a serious charge. Call a law firm that specializes in stunt driving and learn your options and get a strategy that may prevent the consequences of this charge. Be educated. When it comes to handling your 1 to 3 year license suspension, the $2,000 to $10,000 in fines, the 6 demerit points, the 6 months in jail, and more, get help now.